Hey folks, it's me, Andrew the Plumber. So today is like 20 degrees and I just got a call for no heat on the old steam boiler. The boiler is like 38 years old, but the guy is like, oh, I just bought the house and I was hoping it's gonna go for another winter, and that's they all say that, and I said, well, okay. So the story is that he had someone come and clean the boiler out not too long ago, and they did a good job cleaning the system, but now it seems like the flame is on, but his house doesn't get above 50. So he thinks it's the gas valve. So right now I'm heading over there to remove the old gas valve, make sure that nothing else needs to be replaced, and then I'm gonna go pick up a gas valve and install it. And he's already okay with. I told him, that if this doesn't work, then I can return the new valve. So, and the guy's okay. He's like, okay, I'm good with it. I'll take a gamble on it. So, but I told him, look, you really need a new system. The boiler is way past its lifetime. 38 years old for a steam boiler. I'm like, well, probably the pipes are all clogged. So that's the story, guys. That's where I'm going now. So I'll let you know if I can save this 38-year-old boiler. I'll report to you from the basement.
Or whatever. Yeah.
Sorry. Hey guys, so yeah, I just got to the house, and this gas valve looks pretty old. So the issue is that the boiler, the flame is on, but it's really low. So I'm pretty sure that it's the gas valve that's the culprit here. So I'm just gonna unscrew the gas valve and see how low the flame is. All right, folks. So we installed a brand new gas valve, and we installed a new thermocouple, and now she's cooking. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Hey folks, so as you could see, we took care of that boiler. We saved the almost 40-year-old boiler, and hopefully now it's gonna last another couple of years. So if you like this type of video, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, or keep watching. And if you're in need of a plumber north of Boston, please don't wait. Give us a call at 781-558-4680. And stay safe, God bless, and Happy New Year. I'll see you soon.